Welcome to Bad Food Blog, and we've got something interesting to try. What is it?
Hold on.
It is Deez Nutz Mr. Beast Bar. Honestly, I mean, I've seen Tropic Thunder. This is the name of a chocolate bar in a film called Tropic Thunder, which is very problematic to say the least. Right? Okay. Yeah. Deez Nutz. So it's apparently milk chocolate with peanut butter. We're going to try it. We are trying Deez Nutz. There's so many things wrong with that statement. Okay, I'm going to try a piece. You want to try a piece? Here's what it looks like.
That's not a piece. That's a whole square.
Yeah, that.
That's pretty good.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, it does.
It's like dark chocolate with peanut butter. It's American chocolate though, so it's got like that sour milk taste. Calories. Only 7 ingredients apparently, and it's grass-fed milk.
Deez Nutz.
Would you stop saying that? Honestly.
Okay. I was taking the rest of it.
May contain nuts. It actually says that on the back.
No.
It does. It says may contain nuts.
Let me see.
It's called Deez Nutz and says may contain nuts. May contain nuts. It's called made with peanut butter. May contain nuts. Hold on. Shouldn't it definitely contain nuts?
Wait a second. That means this is not peanut butter.
It is peanut butter. Okay.
That's
Thanks for
not almond
watching.
butter.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, actually, we're doing another video as well.
Yeah.
We're gonna have Nashville hot spicy chicken tenders and zesty caper butter. Oh, no, that's the with. Oops, sorry. Lemon herb chicken breast schnitzel and we're going to have these with some bread. The bread we're going to be having them with is these crispy rustic rolls by Paul Hollywood. Look, he's there throwing flour on top of some bread, and I don't think a human being ever touched these. I think they came out of a factory like everything else in a packet. Okay, yes. I'm going to get on with cooking these and I'll show you how it goes. First things first, I've got to decide how much fat they have, and let's have a close look at this packaging so you can see everything. You can pause there. There's the vital ingredients. You can pause there if you wish to read. 350 grams. Oh, the packet has already been opened. That was probably me messing around getting it out of the kitchen. There we go, there's natural stuff. You can pause there and look at that. And there's the ingredients and how to cook. I'm probably going to follow like one of the ingredients. Warning, where every care is taken to remove the bones, there may be bones. Okay. Cooking instructions, 200 degrees. Well, that goes for both of them, so that's good. And for the rolls. Put it on 200, put it on oven, and we will come back when I have them all in their trays, ready. All in their trays. Okay, so it's time to place them in the pans. Let's try this one first. Oh, look, it comes with a little bag of sauce. Every time. Every time. Every single time. Everybody saw that? Every time I try to open any plastic container, it always fails. There is our spicy sauce. Spiced maple glaze. Doesn't that look lovely? Yoink. There we are. It's not very much. That's basically one person food. This is quite expensive. I think it was like £4. And I believe these ones will go in here. Like that. And the cooking time for these, we got the butter to melt on them at the end, which I think is an extravagance. These want cooking for 20 to 25 minutes and same temperature. So that's good. The oven is at temperature basically. So, in they go. Putting them in the top of the oven. The alarm has just gone off from Alexa, so it's time to put the bread in. While there's just a couple of minutes remaining, I'm going to make sure that these zesty butter things end up on top of this as per the instructions. I think it's ready. Let's see what we've got. A face full of steam. Oh my god. Oh, the zesty butter has melted, making that look absolutely wonderful. Oh, the chicken is sizzling away there, you can hear it. Again, wonderful. And the bread should be slightly crusty. Yes, crusty. So let us begin. The first smallest schnitzel is going to go to Max, and then the other schnitzel is going to go to my assistant. So the rolls are still very hot. I don't advise you to hold them and cut them whilst they're this hot, unless you have quite a tolerance for a little bit of pain. There we are. Oh, I need to get a spatula. Wow. So heavy. Look at that. Straight down in the middle like that. Food's ready! This is just a snack because we had such a large lunch. Ooh, this one's a little bit stuck. Max and the assistant, your stove is ready.
I'm only here.
Really?
The assistant's coming.
Okay.
And I finished the Mr. Beast bar.
Of course you did. That was another video, people. There we go. And there you go. Do you want to take those through? That's what those look like. I'm just going to steal a little bit of Max's chicken and see what it tastes like, just so I can tell you viewers at home. Max is going to eat the whole thing and tell us what it's like. Are you going to take a bite?
I'll run away first.
Max, it's got lemon zest on it. You don't need tomato ketchup. Take some if you want. We'll come back for it after you've tasted it.
Running.
So you've got a choice. Lemon zest, chicken, schnitzel,
Yeah.
or Korean spicy. Not Korean, sorry, Nashville hot. Okay, there's the zest. Enjoy. You want? Oop, ouch. I poked myself with a knife there, that's dangerous. Right, now, how am I going to do this? So I put the chicken in the bun first and then put the sauce all over it. I think that's going to have to be the way to go. Although I don't think much more than that's going to... Well, that's really oversized, isn't it? Okay. Oh wow, the smell of that. It's really nice. It's maple syrup with spice in it. Getting over everything. Let's get the rest of that on there. Oh, that smells so nice. Oh wow. Look at that. There's so much going on there. It's dripping over everything. Let's get the plate a bit above there. There we go. Let's give this a taste. Mmm. 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 Wow. Mmm. Never had spicy maple syrup before. It is amazing. Wow. When I'm going to eat this, I'm going to take a couple of, look, see, that's how much is already on my hands. And I have to take this with me to make sure. Look, it's getting everywhere. Just to make sure everything is going right. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. And if you enjoy what I do here, please, please, please subscribe.